We all know about Control Z, which undoes our last action. If you press Control Z, our last action will be undone. So if you press Control Z again, the next last action will be undone. So what if you accidentally undo something that is important? How can you return that? Yes, you can. Just press CTRL+Y. CTRL+Y redoes the last action. We create a folder by right clicking and just selecting new and then select new folder. This is the conventional way. We are creating a folder in desktop, and again inside that folder we are creating another one. Okay. We can create the folder just by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N. It will create instantly a new folder in our desktop or in our Explorer window. Next is deletion. Just let us try to delete the folder we have just created. Yes, it's gone, it's deleted. Let us open the recycle bin. Yes, it is there. So it is there, deleted temporarily. We just restore that one and it's there in the desktop. But what if we don't want to stay it in the recycle bin? We want to delete it completely and permanently. Yes, we have the option with Shift plus Delete. It will permanently delete any file. Okay. We all love emojis. Sometimes we wish if there is emojis in Microsoft Word or whatever the program you are using them. Okay, there is a option in Windows. Just press Windows key plus period and it will open the emoji keyboard. Just select the emoji and it will be inserted in the document. You can color it, you can size it, you can do whatever you want with the emoji. You have many windows open and you want to go to your desktop. What will you do? There is an option. Press Windows key plus D. It will show your desktop. Okay, if you want to minimize all of your windows, open windows, there is another option to minimize. Just press Windows key plus M. It will minimize all the open windows and show your desktop. If, if you are in the middle of some important work and you have to leave the system for a while, you want to hide the data or whatever on the screen from your coworkers or any passerby. What you will do? You can press Windows key plus L to lock the system. If system is locked, you have to log in again to open the system and all your data will be there untouched. If you want to organize your work in different desktops, use virtual desktop. Windows Windows key plus Ctrl plus D will open a new desktop. You can open different sets of programs in different desktops. And if you want to navigate to different desktops, you can use Windows plus Ctrl plus left or right arrow keys. And if you want to close current desktop, use Windows key plus Ctrl plus F4. Windows key plus Tab will display all virtual desktops and apps running in each desktop. It's a very convenient feature in Windows 10. Windows key plus E will open a new Explorer window. If you want to switch between applications, use Alt plus Tab keys. Alt Tab will switch between open applications. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.